Hi, this is Vei from Red House Kitchen. Today I'm making 3 Chinese cucumber salads. Smash the cucumber with garlic dressing. Slice the cucumber with ginger dressing. And coir wrinkled cucumber with mala dressing. First, let's make the smashed version, which is very popular in China. I use European cucumber, which has a thicker skin than the Chinese variety, so I partially peel the skin. Smash the cucumber with the side of your cleaver. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. If you don't have a cleaver, you can use a rolling pin. An empty beer bottle would work too. Add some salt to the cucumber, then let it sit for 10 minutes. Discard any liquid extracted by the salt. Now, let's season it. I'm using chopped scallions, fresh chilies, and minced garlic. Then, use hot oil to release those lovely flavors. Add some black rice vinegar, light soy sauce, and a little sugar. That's it. This is my way to mix everything. Now, every piece is covered with the delicious dressing. The second dish is sliced cucumber with ginger dressing. Use a vegetable peeler, slice the cucumber into thin pieces. Stop peeling when you see the seedy part in the middle. Continue slicing other sides. The middle part is too watery to slice, so I'd give it to my children as a snack. You can also add some radish. It makes the dish even prettier. Let's mix the dressing now. This time, I use black rice vinegar, light soy sauce, sesame seeds oil, a little salt, and minced ginger. Finally, a drop of honey. I think it pairs very well with ginger. You may also add some coriander if you like. Here you are, very elegant and refreshing. The name of the third salad is quite interesting. It's named after the traditional Chinese coir wrinkled, which is made of straws. Do they look alike? I'm not quite sure. Before you start, I have 2 important tips. Don't forget to curl back your fingers like this. Hold your knife steady at an angle and use the tip as a guide to depths. Now, let's start. Firstly, slice diagonally to a depth of about halfway through the cucumber. I'm using baby cucumbers here. However, it would be much easier if you start practicing on larger ones. Now, one side is done. Turn over to the other side. This time, slice at right angles to the same depth. Keep your knife steady and slice at your own pace. Look, the cucumber stays in one piece. Let's prepare the Sichuan-style mala dressing. Firstly, Use soy sauce and sugar to marinate the cucumbers for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn them around halfway to make sure every part is in touch of the sauce. By now, the cucumbers have lost some water, but they have absorbed the flavor from the soy sauce and sugar. Remove the liquid. The final step, add ground Sichuan pepper and chili powder or chili flakes. The combination of these two spices create the classic mala flavor, which means numbing and spicy. Finally, some hot oil to bring out their wonderful aroma. Here you are, Chinese cucumber salad prepared in 3 ways. They look and taste very different, but they are all delicious in their own way. If you have time, why not give each one a try to see which cutting method or dressing you like the most? Let me know by leaving a comment below. I have printable recipes for these 3 dishes on my blog. You can find the link in the description. Until the next video, have a lovely time in your kitchen.